Hello, my name is Andres, and I'm going to do my exam 2 for payment for rigid payment. Okay, take quiz. Okay, it's here. Determine the slab thickness. A new rigid pavement is to be built on an interstate highway. Okay, how is highway? The value for PT is 2.5. Okay, with this intro downtown is for Phoenix. Verge. Okay, we have a pretty precipitation of 9 inch that is um, very low. Traffic forecasting analysis has yield an estimate demand of okay 18 million SLs over the 20 years performance period. The design calls for a jointed reinforcing concrete pavement with an asphalt concrete shoulder with a load transfer device. Okay, therefore, okay, it's in this part. Okay, we have a jointed reinforcing concrete pavement that is this one. Mm, yes, and say too that the shoulder without that is an asphalt here and the shoulder without load transfer device. Okay, we don't have transfer uh, load transfer device, so the value here in this part is 3.8. Yeah. Okay, what else we have? Okay, we have a elastic modulus of concrete for that is 4 millions. It's here. 4 millions. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah. We have a concrete modulus of rupture. It is 550. It's in this part SC 550. And effective modulus of subgrade reaction for 120. That is Q. Here. Okay, what else? Okay, the subgrade material exceed poor drainage. Okay, let's see the table. Okay, we have a poor drainage, and then we have also a very low precipitation, so I choose 1.1 for CD. 1.1. Okay, what else we have? Okay, user reliability of 95% and standard deviation of 0.4. Okay, 0.4. Okay, we go to the table. Okay, standard deviation. Okay, therefore we have a reliability of 95%. We see in the table 11.15. The value for this reliability for the standard normal deviation uh, is minus 1.645. It's in this part. Minus 1.645. We check 95 minus 1.6. Okay. I put sweet point. Okay. We come back to the problem, and that looks okay. We have all to solve to get the thickness. Okay, we go to data, next to solver. Okay, we have 18 million SLs. Okay, we put here 18 1 2 3 1 2 3 millions. Okay, we check, this is W18, and for this is the thickness. Excellent. We put in solve, accept. Okay, we get a thickness for 30.63, and the problem say that we have to determine the minimum slab thickness necessary to satisfy the traffic demand. Run up to the next acquired inch. Okay, that is 75. Then the value more near or close to this is 14 inches. Maybe it's not exact because for the CD that I choose, oh, something like that. Maybe if we change this for value, like is 1 or point 9. Okay, let's see with 0.9. Okay, 0.9. Okay, again solver. If we change that, we get 15. Then we don't have this value here. So let's check with 1 here. Solver, solve, set, and we get 14. That is not okay. It's not, so I will choose 14 inches like my answer. So let's submit the quiz and see if it's the correct answer. Okay, yes, this is the correct answer. So my value is not exact because maybe for the values here that I choose, maybe for the city, I don't know, or for the year. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much.